All right, fam, super quick video. I was over at Lowe's and I saw so many yellow stickers in the Dewalt section. Really good deals. Stuff like this mid-range impact wrench. That's the mid-torque from Dewalt, the previous model. The Tool Connect Bluetooth hammer drill combo set, $134.87. The 887 impact kit, $188.97. And the 840 is back down to 99 bucks. Pretty good stuff. You're gonna want to skip that one. Not really worth it in my opinion. Also, if you guys want the best, cheapest way to get the brand new DCD 800 with a power stack, head on over to Lowe's. That kit is $169 right now. Ridiculous. I've never seen it that cheap. Skip Home Depot, get that one instead. Just so much craziness going on here, and I just want to give you guys a heads up that the prices might not match the stickers. There are several Lowe's, including the one I was at, where that 4-tool combo kit is down to $220 something. That includes the XR reciprocating compact saw that is being phased out. It is a complete badass. I mean, look at that. That sticker says $238 for the XR hammer drill combo, but if you check the other sticker, it says $190, and that features the big bad 996 hammer drill. So just do a price check next time you're at Lowe's, and if they are sold out at the bottom, always check top stock. I found multiple kits over at this Lowe's. Check that out right there, 996 with the 887. One more item to check if you're at Lowe's. Well, actually there's several, but the Spider quick release carbide tipped hole saw sit. That's a mouthful. Down to 19 bucks. That is a crazy good deal on a hole saw set from Spider. Carbide tipped multi-material hole saw. They regularly run quite a bit with that quick release. You can get it for 20 bucks, and make sure to check top stock. A big reason for the Dewalt mega clearance event is they're getting a whole bunch of new kits in with new packaging. Another thing to keep an eye on is this old woodworking kit. It features the jigsaw, the oscillating saw, the sander. I've seen some Lowe's with it down to the 220s, that kit. And if you guys check the top stock, that is going to be the best place to find new tools. This is the brand new XR combo kit with the 840, the 2 power stacks, and I think the DCD 800. I don't know the price, but it is brand spanking new, including that joist drill, the XR version. I think it has a power detect battery included in that set. That is nowhere to be found on the floor, and there's some flex stuff. They got new packaging, but there is going to be a buy more, save more on flex because I guess they couldn't sell enough. I don't know. Spend $500, get $150 off. If that tickles your bones, I don't know. Go check it out, I guess. It starts May 19th. So go check it out, or not, whatever. I'm not your mom. I'm Barnaby. Have at it. Good luck.